subscribe.
Some Disney toys here, and today I'm bringing you a kitchen funny set. We're going to learn about these fruits and vegetables together, and I'm going to show you how to cut them. Look at all this fun stuff! I can't wait to get started. Here's the back of the box. It's making me hungry already. I can't wait to get my hands on everything. Ooh, look at all the different kinds. Let's start by taking it out of this plastic. Yum, this grape looks good. That's a sweet looking orange. I love the little leaf on top. And my favorite fruit, watermelon. Finally, let's get to cutting. This is a banana. Bananas are really good for you. They're high in potassium and great for after-school sports. Here we have an orange. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C. If you're feeling a little under the weather, have an orange. It'll help protect you from getting sick. Yay, this orange doesn't have any seeds inside. Yum, a grape! I just love grapes. Grapes are a delicious snack, and sweet too. I like to have it with my lunch. Look at this big watermelon. Let's get this guy open. Watermelon's great for the summer, so tasty and refreshing. It looks pretty juicy. Yikes, but looks like there's a lot of seeds. You have to be careful. Here's a pumpkin. Pumpkins are not only delicious, but they're fun too. How many of you guys are going to carve a pumpkin this Halloween? Give this video a thumbs up if you are. Let's see what's inside this pumpkin. Cool! You see how it has two layers? When you're carving a pumpkin, you take out that inside layer. I can't wait to carve a pumpkin. And here's a tomato. Tomatoes are in a lot of foods we eat. Pizza sauce, pasta sauce, and even ketchup. And here's a little fun fact for you. Most people don't know this, but tomatoes actually have more vitamin C than an orange. I know, crazy! Here's a bell pepper. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin E, and they're great with most proteins. You probably had it with your dinner before. Time to spice things up. This looks like a hot chili pepper. Ouch! How many of you guys like spicy food? Let's carefully cut this one open. Yup, it's pretty spicy. Here's an onion. I have to be careful when cutting this one. I might tear up. Look at all the layers in this onion. Do you guys remember in Shrek? Ogres are like onions. We have layers. They sure do. Next we have a potato. I just love baked potato. I like my baked potato with sour cream, cheese, and bacon. How about you guys? Yum, an egg. Sounds like this one's hard-boiled. Let's cut this egg open. Eggs are a great source of protein. That's why they're great for breakfast. This egg looks like it's perfectly cooked. Cool, look at this mushroom. Fun fact, did you guys know that vegetarians who don't eat meat a lot of times will substitute it with mushrooms? It's a great source of protein. With all of our vegetables and fruit, I've made you guys breakfast. Here we have our eggs and a fruit platter. Now that's a healthy breakfast. I had so much fun learning about these fruits and vegetables with you guys. I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.